computer. Okay, so we go back to our site. Now we want to find that image that we've saved to our hard drive. So we hit the blue Browse Server button, which is right here. And that will open up our upload window. Okay, so this is a list of all the images I've already uploaded. But since this image we have to upload to the website, we haven't done it yet, we're going to go ahead and hit this upload button right here at the top. You click on that and it opens the upload dialog. Again, we want to browse, hit the browse button, and here's the image that we saved. We go ahead and click on that, hit open, and that will put the path on your computer to this image. Hit upload, and boom, your image is there. Okay, now in order to get this actually into the body of your text, you need to send it to the editor. So that's this link here, send to CK editor. You make sure your image is highlighted, which unless you touch something, it should be. It should show up down here. Hit send to CK editor. There it is. Now you can change the height and the width of the image to make it bigger or smaller. If it's too large, you can do that on the fly later, so you don't really need to mess with that. Sometimes it's nice to add a horizontal space and a vertical space around it, so it gives a little breathing room on each side. I usually do like about 5 on each side, so that way text and it doesn't cram all the way up to the edge of things. So that's not a big deal, but it's just up to your preference. But once you've kind of set it up how you like it, you just hit OK, and boom, it's inserted the image into your blog post. Okay. And now one of the other things you can do, it's kind of important, if you write a longer post, what this particular program does that's running on the website, it'll just naturally break the text after a certain point to create a preview, because you'll notice if you go to the let's go to the home page here real quick. You notice it creates a summary, but it doesn't write very much in the way of text here. It's only a very short block of text in this preview section. So if you actually go to the full story, you'll notice that the story is like a full couple paragraphs long, but the summary is only maybe a paragraph long. Now the site will actually do this automatically for you, but it's nice to be able to pick it yourself, because it might break it in the middle of a line or something like that. So the best thing to do is to just come down here wherever you want it to break. I wrote this basically as a summary anyway, so I'll put it right here at the end of my text, but move the cursor to wherever you want this to break, your summary to end, and then just hit this button here, insert teaser break. It's right up here in the toolbar here. So what that will do is, if we get back down here again, zoom down here and get this back in, click on that, it inserts this little red line, which you can't really see super well here, but it's at the very bottom. If it was up here, it'd be a little easier to see. But what that does is it creates a page break basically, and this will be your entire summary, and anything that falls below it, like if you were to write text below that, it wouldn't appear in the preview. So that's pretty much done. There's some other tricks we can follow or to use when writing these things. They're a little more advanced. You can stop now if that's all you want to do, if it's just the basic posting, because if we go here, we can actually see what this is going to look like. Hit the preview button, and there you go. That's what it's going to appear as on the front page of the website. And that's done. You'll notice that the link here turns into a link automatically. If you have the HTTP or www, it automatically realizes that that's a link, and it'll post that automatically. You don't have to do anything there. If you just paste a full link, it'll work. It's kind of smart like that. So we'll just stop for there. I'll write another tutorial later on to show you a little more advanced things, but this is the basic thing you need to know in order to post things. The only thing you really need to worry about is this. If you want your posting to appear on the front page, you have to click on this publishing options field, which is underneath your story here. Publishing options, promote to the front page, hit save, and if you go to the front page, Boom, there it is. Okay, that should do it. If that's the basic stuff, if you have any problems, just let me know. You can contact me through the website and ask away. Hope this gets you going.